Greeting folks, welcome back to my channel. In the previous video we have already seen how we fabricated this waterproof seat for our scooter. However, there was a tiny doubt from one of you, a mole to be precise, and that was this, that how we are going to use this particular seat with the lock on the sides in our scooter, where we have the lock positioning at the rear part. As you can see, it's over here, and as we descend the seat, it locks over here, and once you open it, it comes out. So the thing is, for this kind of seat which have plastic base, as you can see, we have a plate like this, and that has to be retained at this position with these 4 bolts, 1, 2, 3 and 4, and once it's done, you can bolt the seats over here, and this position for this notch actually will serve as the locking point for this seat. So that's about it. Now today we are going to discuss about the things that are pending before we go ahead with the wiring that has to be done on this scooter for installing the starter motor. Basically we need this particular stuff painted, and apart from that there are a few more things that are kind of desirable which I really want to be painted before we start the job, and those are this mudguard. Obviously we need to repair this over here, and then only we can go ahead with painting and other stuff. And next to that, obviously we have this glove box, which is let me show it to you, larger compared to the one that we have on our scooter. Can you see that? Yes. So without wasting much time, let's head to the Tinkerman's shop.
ઉધડા ને આપણે
मेरा कॉन्ट्रैक्ट है, मैंने दूसरा भाग दिया।
કોન્ટ્રાક્ટ જ ને આપણા પોતે આપણા મજૂર લઈ જાય
हेलो नहीं घेरे दूंगा
તો એ તો અભી કલાક દોઢ કલાક
पता नहीं मेरा ना क्या रिप्लाई की मेरे का
नीचे का सक गया।
बोले वो बरोबर लाइन कर दे आगे घरों थोड़ा लगाएगा नमस्कार साढ़े 4 ने 5 मिनट घड़िया की टाइम गिर गया ना घड़िया का अरे करके तो ना लगा बाकी ट्राई तो लगा कोई नहीं।
ठीक है, फिर थर्सडे को आता हूँ।
पेट्रोल का वो आ गया, पानी आ गया ड्रोन 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 तो का राज्य पर ले गया था इधर कार्बोरेटर का वो पिन
Okay guys, so the moment of truth. Here we have the space that we have given for the paint job. The glove box has been completed nicely, nothing to complain about, and it looks pretty glossy, so I'm happy with the result. The next thing is handlebar, and it looks nice to me. The finish is perfect. He has actually cleaned it perfectly and then he has painted it. I have, after it was received by me, I have painted it white. Just it's a personal preference, so that I could find it more easier to work upon wires and cables. That's just a personal preference. You don't really need to do that. However, should you do it, it will make your life easy. The mudguard is pretty fine. It's in a way better shape than it was before sending it for the paint job, and now it's pretty usable. I have painted it with a decent coat of 2 or 3 layers of black paint, and before that obviously there was a coat of red oxide primer. Let's keep it safely. Next is the handlebar. I've asked him precisely to coat it in a very thin layer, and that is what he has done. The reason for that was to have these details visible, as had he been applying too much of filler, that would have been not really been visible. So that's what I got. So now that most of the things are sorted, the seat has been fabricated, everything is done, the only thing that is left now is to put the wiring back on our scooter, and that we'll be doing soon, I guess probably this Sunday or Saturday. So that's much about it. Stay tuned for more. Till the next time, build it, ride it.